Hello, everybody. Today, we're diving into the core of our lives, communication. Not just talking, but truly connecting, heart to heart. We use words every day, but how often do we feel truly seen and heard? Effective communication isn't about winning or having the last word. It's about creating a safe space for honesty, where both people feel valued. When we communicate well, we build bridges, not walls. Think of a time you felt disconnected from someone you love. Chances are, communication broke down. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Learning the secrets of real communication unlocks deeper intimacy and trust. This is a skill anyone can learn and master. It's not about blame. It's about growth. When you change how you communicate, you transform your relationships. You invite more love, joy, and peace into your life. So, take a deep breath. Let's begin this journey together. Your aha moment is waiting. Communication isn't just about words, it's about the music behind them, your tone. You can say, "I'm fine," but your tone can reveal everything. A gentle tone invites closeness, a harsh one creates distance. I once met a couple who fought constantly. The husband's words said help, but his tone said judgment. When he softened, everything changed. Before you speak, check in with yourself. What emotion are you carrying into your words? Your voice is an instrument. Choose the music you want to play. Try this. Say, "What are you doing?" with warmth, then with suspicion. Same words, different message. Your tone sets the emotional stage for every conversation. By being mindful of it, you move closer to the loving relationships you deserve. It's not just what you say, but how you say it. Every conversation is a chance to connect or create conflict. Choose connection. Your tone is your power. Use it wisely. Let's go deeper, beyond words and tone, to body language. Your posture, your eyes, your gestures, they speak volumes. You can say you're listening, but if your body is turned away, your actions say otherwise. Eye contact creates connection. A simple touch can say more than words. I remember a guest who thought her husband never said "I love you." But he showed it in a million unspoken ways, making coffee, warming her bed, filling her gas tank. Actions are love letters. Learn to read the language your loved ones are speaking, not just the one you wish they'd use. Pay attention to nonverbal cues, slumped shoulders, averted eyes, restless hands, and be aware of the signals you send. Uncross your arms, turn toward the person, put down your phone, use your body to say, "I am here, and I care." The unspoken is powerful. Let it work for you. We've talked about speaking, tone, and body language. Now, let's talk about listening. Most of us don't really listen. We're just waiting for our turn to talk. True listening is a gift. It means being fully present, hearing not just words but feelings. Set aside your own agenda. For a moment, make the other person's world your focus. When your partner says, "I had a terrible day," don't rush to fix it. Just listen. Say, "I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me about it." Then be quiet and let them share. This kind of listening validates their experience and builds trust. You don't have to fix everything. Sometimes people just need a witness. Being that witness is a sacred role. Deep listening transforms relationships. It says, "Your feelings matter to me." It's the foundation of true connection. Practice listening with your ears, eyes, and heart. Let go of the need to be right. Create a safe space for your loved ones to open up. Listening is love in action. Try it today. Watch your relationships change. Once you master listening, the next step is empathy. Empathy isn't sympathy. It's feeling with someone, not just for them. You don't have to agree, but you can try to understand their perspective. When your partner says they feel ignored, remember a time you felt that way. Connect with that feeling. Say, "I can understand why that would hurt." You're not admitting fault, you're validating their experience. This shift can dissolve conflict instantly. I once saw a mother and daughter reconnect after years of silence, simply by understanding each other's pain. Empathy builds bridges over years of misunderstanding. It's not always easy, especially when you're hurt, but it's a conscious choice. Ask, "What might my partner be feeling right now?" Empathy looks beneath anger and finds the vulnerable heart. It's emotional generosity, and it always deepens connection. Choose empathy and watch your relationships transform. This might feel like a lot, but you don't have to change everything overnight. Start with small, intentional steps. Create a sacred space for conversation. No phones, no distractions, just attention. Use I feel statements instead of you did statements. Practice the pause. When you feel anger, take a breath before responding. That pause gives you power to choose your response. Make appreciation a daily habit. Say out loud what you appreciate about your partner. These small steps add up to big changes. Every day, choose one thing to do differently. Over time, you'll see a massive shift in your relationships. Connection grows from small seeds. Start planting them today. Your relationships are worth it. Begin now. As we close, I want you to feel hope and empowerment. The secrets to great communication aren't secrets. They're truths waiting for you to use them. Communication is more than words. It's energy, tone, body language, and listening. It's about seeking to understand before being understood. Perfection isn't the goal. Connection is. Every conversation is a chance to build trust and intimacy. By being mindful, empathetic, and present, you create a more loving world, starting at home. You have the power to write a new chapter in your relationships. Choose understanding, compassion, and authentic connection. You hold the key. Use it to unlock the relationships you've always dreamed of. This is your aha moment. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Go well.